everyone! Based on the readings this week, it's important to remember how closely we should be working with faculty and staff members as academic and student affairs professionals. In my current position, I talk to faculty members almost daily. Typically, I talk to them regarding a student and the requirements left in order for them to meet graduation requirements. In my office, we like to talk to the student's faculty advisor or the department head first if a student is lacking something for graduation. This is usually so we can avoid any drama or getting the student involved and having them upset, especially if it's something that we consider an easy fix. We work closely together with the departments to figure out a solution, whether it be allowing a student to substitute a course for something else, or even sometimes allowing them to late register for a class. In my practicum, I've been working very closely with academic advising. We're trying to plan a registration workshop for our students. We're requesting their help so they can advise students on the best courses to take in order to satisfy graduation requirements. At the university I work at, they like to plan events for all the faculty and staff members to get together. At one event in particular, they had a seating chart and didn't allow us to sit with other people who are in our own department. At first I was really dreading going because I knew I wouldn't know anyone and it would be really awkward sitting with other people. But by the end of the session, I'd made some really great connections with other faculty members throughout the university. It also helped me put a face with the name of many faculty members I've emailed back and forth with in the past. I think events like this should be encouraged more throughout universities because it will create a sense of closeness within the institution and allow student affairs professionals to reach out to faculty members more easily. Have a good night, y'all.